Hi, Asher. This is Maria. I hope you're doing well right now. I'm still inside my house, so I hope you're staying safe and staying inside yours. Today, we're going to read a story about the weather. I think it's going to rain today. I'm not sure, but maybe it won't. So, today's story, the title is called Simon Loves the Rain, written by Anne Harth. So the title is Simon Loves the Rain, and the author of this book is Anne Harth. Let's go on to this page. Simon loves the rain. He wears his red boots and a yellow hat. He pulls on his green coat. All right, so after reading these sentences, can you tell me the color of Simon's boots? What about his coat? And what color is his hat? Can you describe what the weather is like right now? All right, so let's go on to the next page. All right, take your umbrella, Simon, Mom said. Okay, says Simon as he grabs his purple umbrella. Okay, so Simon's mom, is asking him to take his umbrella with him. And the color of his umbrella is purple. Do you see any other purple in the picture? I'll give you a few seconds. All right. So in this picture, I see that Simon's mom has purple shoes. And just a quiz. Do you know what colors, when you mix it together, makes the color purple? It's blue, like Simon's jeans, and red, like Simon's boots. All right, let's go to the next page. The rain comes down. Pitter, pitter, pitter. Can you tell me what Simon is doing in this photo? So what I'm seeing is that Simon is having fun jumping around in the puddles. Do you think Simon is happy, sad, angry, or frustrated in this photo? To me, he looks happy to be playing in the water right now. I bet you'll be excited to go outside once all of this is over, huh? Let's go on to the next page. Oh, Simon jumps in puddles. Splish, splish, splish. Besides splish, is there another word you think makes the same sound as the one of Simon jumping in the puddle? So Simon is jumping in the puddle of water and it makes the splish sound. And right now I'm asking, is there another word that has this similar sound? I hope that wasn't confusing. So the word I'm thinking of is splash. So Simon can be splish and splashing in the puddles of water. All right, page 6. The rain comes down harder. Patter, patter, patter. So in this photo, can you tell me what's happening? So here, it looks like the rain is coming down and it's splashing on Simon's yellow hat and his green coat. All right. Simon jumps in deeper puddles. Splash, splash, splash. So here is another scenario where Simon is jumping in puddles of water Can you tell me what's happening in the picture right now? Okay. From what I'm seeing, I think Simon might have gotten some water in his red boots. I hope he doesn't get in trouble, but everyone makes mistakes, so I think his mom will be fine. All right, page 8. The rain is heavy. Plonk, plonk, plonk. So here, the first syllable is PL. It makes L sound. The last syllable is ONK. It's the oink sound. So ploink, ploink, ploink. Page 9. Simon jumps in puddles. Water fills his boots. Slosh, slosh, slosh. What do you think will happen when Simon runs in the house? I think that he might get the house wet, but he could take them off before he enters and then the house will stay dry. Let's see. Right. Simon runs inside. Mom looks at Simon. His hat drips. His coat drips. His boots are full of water. Simon holds up his umbrella. Look, Mom, I took my umbrella. Can you tell me what Simon's mom's expression is or what she might feel right now? So in this picture, I think Simon's mom is shocked. She might be a little surprised. And then page 12 is some questions I want to ask. So number 1, what color is Simon's umbrella? Do you remember what color it was? So Simon's umbrella was a combination of 2 colors, red and blue. So go back 1 page, and the color of Simon's umbrella is purple. All right, let's what type of day is it outside in the storm? Can you tell me what kind of day it was outside? So, the story takes place outside when it's raining. So, the type of day was that it was raining. Number 3, what does Mom give Simon? Do you remember? I'm not sure I remember correctly, so we'll just go back a few pages. And if we remember the question, what does Simon mom give Simon? So here Simon is putting on his boots and hat and coat. The next, his mom is asking him to take the umbrella. And then he starts going outside. So, based on those 2 pages, it looks like Simon's mom gave him the umbrella since she asked him to take it. And then final question is, what color is Simon's hat? Do you remember Simon's hat color? Right. Back 1 page. The color of Simon's hat is yellow. All right, so that is the end of the story. and I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.